Are you a content creator or else you want to start your YouTube channel in 2020? Then this video is for you guys. So in this video, I'm not going to talk about how to achieve 1000 subscribers or how to complete 4000 hours watch time. But I will show you what are all the things you need to produce a really good quality content so you can achieve your goal. So are you guys excited? So without any delay, let's start our today's video. Hello edits, how's it going? I hope you guys having a great time. So in today's video, we're gonna unbox my new tripod, which is from the DigiTek. So after unboxing it, I will show you my whole setup. So without any delay, let's start our today's video. If you are new to my channel, do hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon so you will be notified when I upload a new video. So guys, this is the box packing we get for the DigiTek DTR 550 LW tripod. So on the front we can see some branding on the tripod image. On the sides we can see some features. They say that it has 3-way head with the adjustable pan, sturdy rubberized legs, convenient accessory hook, bubble head to adjust the horizontal position, multi-purpose head and quick release, multi-purpose head for DV cameras. On the other side we can see some specifications. Max load is 5 kilos, maximum height is 5.57 feet, and other specifications. And the MRP says for 2495 guys, but I ordered it from Flipkart and got it for around 1500 rupees. So let's quickly do the unboxing. So let's quickly open this up. So guys, inside we get another bag. So this is the bag we get inside. The bag quality is also really good. So let's quickly open it. So once we open it, we can see the tripod. So guys, this is the tripod. So this is the tripod. From the first impressions, I must say the build quality is really good guys. You can see the build quality is really good and its weight's only 1.2 kgs. I have been using this tripod from last few days. So let me show you what are all the things I like about this tripod. So first thing is that for the budget of 1500, this tripod is really good guys. The build quality and everything is really good. The second thing, the ball head guys. The movement of the ball head is really smooth. See? It's really smooth guys. And the third thing is it locks. So once you open it and lock it, I'm applying really good pressure to push that leg inside, but it's not going guys. So the lock is also really good. Last and most important thing I like about this tripod is its height guys. So on the box they say that it will go around 5.57 feet. Once we open it up, I will show you what its exact height is. See guys, my height is around 5'8". It can go up to 5 foot 8 inches, which is the best selling point for this tripod. Now let's talk about the things I don't like about this tripod. There is only one thing I didn't like about this tripod is, so guys, this is the lock which is used to hold its position. So it's open right now. See, it's moving perfectly, right? So now it's locked, totally locked. See? But if you apply little power to it, see, till now also it's moving. So this is the only thing I didn't like about this tripod. I think the problem is only with my tripod only. So this is not a major problem. So no issues. That's it for tripod guys. If you wish to buy it for yourself, the link will be in the description. Every product shown in this video, I have given the links in the description guys. Do definitely check them out. So now let's talk about my YouTube setup guys. So the first most important thing is the tripod. You have already seen it. So now let's talk about the second most important thing, which is a good quality microphone. So I am using this Goya MM1 shotgun mic to record my videos. Right now also I am using it. I have been using it from last 1 year. I got it for around 1200 rupees. I must say it's really good guys. It's really good in the budget range. If your budget is around 1500, then you must get this microphone. So if your budget is a little lower than this, you can also get a Boya collar mic, which is also good. So now let's talk about the third most important thing. Let's talk about the third most important thing, which is a light source, guys. So if you are recording in a room which got a really good amount of natural light coming in, then you can really skip this product, or else you definitely need it. Why? I will show you. So this is the ring light I ordered from Amazon. Ring light brand I really don't know. Actually, I ordered the light and the stand separately. If you want both, you can get it around for 1500 rupees. So now let's talk about the ring light. This ring light comes with 3 modes, guys. This is the remote for it. Let's quickly on this. So this is the first mode. This is the second one, and this is the third one. You can also adjust the brightness. So right now it's decreasing. You can also increase the brightness. See? So now let's talk about why we need a good amount of light source. So right now I'm recording without the light. So right now I'm recording with the light. So you can see the difference of the quality, right? So that's why we need a light source. Now let's talk about the last thing in my setup, guys, which is my phone. So I'm using LG V40 ThinQ and I record my videos in 4K 60 FPS. And the software I'm using to edit my videos is KineMaster Pro. I also got Premiere Pro in my laptop, but my laptop is really old. So don't ask me about the rendering speed, guys, please. So in my phone, for 8 minutes of 4K video, I'm getting around 10 to 12 minutes of rendering speed, which is really good. So that's why I'm using my phone to edit my videos. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and do subscribe to my channel. So meet you in my next video.